Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Jude. Now, I will continue the topic. Well, Dr. David has told you about the polyploidy and aneuploidy. But let me ask a question from you. Why does aneuploidy happens? Well, let me answer this. So, causation of chromosomal aneuploidies is non-disjunction in the male parent and female parent. Let's understand male parents' non-disjunction. Non-disjunction is the failure of the chromosomes to separate, which produces daughter cells with abnormal numbers of chromosomes. Let's understand non-disjunction in mitosis. In metaphase of mitosis, chromosomes line up in the middle plane, the mitotic spindle forms, and the kinetochores of sister chromatids attach to the microtubules. In anaphase of mitosis, where sister chromatids separate, and the microtubules pull them in opposite directions, the chromosome, shown in red, fails to separate properly. Its sister chromatids stick together and get pulled to the same side, resulting in mitotic non-disjunction of this chromosome. This is proper disjunction, but this is non-disjunction. Moving forward, this side is for normal. After meiosis 1, in normal, there is proper disjunction. Then meiosis 2 occurs. Sperm with X chromosome and sperm with Y chromosome are produced, and then fertilization of egg with sperm occurs. Sperm with X chromosome fertilizes egg with chromosome X, and XX will be produced. Sperm with Y chromosome fertilizes egg with chromosome X. Result will be XY. Cleavage occurs. Now, normal female with XX chromosomes and normal male with XY chromosomes are produced. Now, let's discuss meiotic non-disjunction. As we know that non-disjunction is the failure of the chromosomes to separate, which produces daughter cells with abnormal numbers of chromosomes. After meiosis 1, there is non-disjunction. Then meiosis 2 occurs. Sperm with XY chromosome and sperm with no chromosome are produced. And then fertilization of egg with sperm occurs. Sperm with XY chromosome fertilizes egg with chromosome X, and XXY will be produced. Sperm with no chromosome fertilizes egg with chromosome X. Result will be X. Now, cleavage occurs. Then Klinefelter syndrome with XXY, and Turner syndrome with only one X chromosome, which is sex chromosome, is produced. Now, let's sum up all the main points of this video on aneuploidies to keep the key points in our mind. The name and description of numerical chromosomal abnormalities. Annotated in humans can be polyploidy or aneuploidy. Cells with extra or missing chromosomes are aneuploid. Aneuploidy is the most commonly occurring chromosome disorder, accounting for 5% or more of clinically recognized pregnancies. Aneuploidy is further divided into two subtypes: monosomy and trisomy. Monosomy refers to the condition when one of the chromosomes from a pair is missing, as mono means one, such as 45X. Turner syndrome has karyotype 45X. Trisomy refers to possession of an extra chromosome. Let's discuss types of trisomy. An individual with Patau Syndrome has 3 copies of chromosome 13, rather than 2. For that reason, the condition's also known as trisomy 13. Patient karyotypes are denoted as 47XX plus 13 for females, and 47XY plus 13 for males. An individual with Edwards syndrome has 3 copies of chromosome 18 rather than 2. For that reason, the conditions, also known as Trisomy 18, patient karyotypes are denoted as 47XX plus 18 for females and 47XY plus 18 for males. And one of the common examples of a condition caused by trisomy is Down syndrome. An individual with Down syndrome has 3 copies of chromosome 21 rather than 2. For that reason, the conditions, also known as trisomy 21, and patient karyotypes are denoted as 47XX plus 21 for females and 47XY plus 21 for males. In the case of polyploidy, extra chromosome sets are being inherited. But remember that we are talking about chromosome set, not chromosomes only. There are 2 types of polyploidies: triploidy and tetraploidy. Most common examples of polyploidy are triploidy, possessing 3 sets of chromosomes. There are 3 possibilities in triploidy: 69XXX, 69XXY, and 69XYY. Tetraploidy means possessing 4 sets of chromosomes. There are 4 possibilities in tetraploidy: 92XXXX, 92XXXY, 92XXYY, and 92XYYY. This was all. Thank you for learning. Join us again.
Watch our medical videos anytime and anywhere. Download sqadia.com app now.